Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Lollipop easy at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You will also need your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Next, prepare your Lollipop molds by lightly greasing them and have your Lollipop sticks ready to insert. Now, combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert a candy thermometer. Continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for perfect lollipops. Once the syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Wait a moment for the bubbling to subside, then carefully stir in your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly but cautiously, as the mixture is extremely hot. Pour the hot liquid into your prepared lollipop molds, inserting a stick into each one as you go. Fill them evenly. Let the lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely hardened. Do not try to move them too soon, as they will still be soft and sticky. Once fully cooled, carefully twist or pop the lollipops out of their molds. Store them individually wrapped in cellophane to prevent sticking. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.